In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do split screen on Replit 2026, step by step. If you want to view two sections of your project at the same time, split screen in Replit is a really useful feature. It can make coding, comparing files, and editing more efficient because you don't have to keep switching back and forth between tabs. I'll walk you through the process in a simple and clear way so you can set it up quickly. First, go to Replit and make sure you're inside the workspace where you want to work. Once you're there, open the file you want to split in your editor. This is important because the split view starts from a file tab that is already open at the top of the editor. For this example, open any project in Replit. It doesn't matter what kind of project it is. The goal here is just to get into an active workspace so you can see the file tabs across the top of the editor area. If you have more than one file open already, that's perfectly fine and may even make the split view more useful. Next, look at the open file tabs at the top of your editor. Click and hold one of those tabs, then drag it slowly. As you move it, pay attention to the editor area. You'll notice that Replit gives you placement options by showing a highlighted box. This highlight helps you see where the new pane will appear. You can drag the tab to the left, right, top, or bottom, depending on how you want your workspace arranged. For a standard side-by-side layout, move the tab until the two-pane option appears. Once you see the highlighted placement box, release your mouse to drop the tab into position. After that, select the two-split pane layout. This tells Replit to divide the editor into two sections. As soon as you do that, your screen will instantly split into two panes. Now you'll be able to work with two views at the same time inside the same project. This is especially helpful if you want to reference one file while editing another, or if you want to look at different parts of the same file more comfortably. If the layout doesn't appear exactly where you want it the first time, just try dragging the tab again and watch for the highlighted area before dropping it. That visual cue is the key to placing your split screen correctly, and that's how to do split screen on Replit. Once you get used to it, it becomes a fast and convenient way to organize your coding workspace.